Okay, so today I'm working on a 2002. It's a Toyota Tundra. It has a 4.7. And this vehicle, this truck gave me multiple misfire. It gave me misfire code for every single cylinder. And we had about 60 to 70 mile an hour winds yesterday. And I came over here and this filter was just covered in sand and leaves and dust and dirt, debris. And it didn't give me a code for the mass airflow sensor. It just gave me multiple misfire detected. So what I did, being the fact that it was so dirty and dusty this last few days, I went ahead and cleaned the filter out real good, and I cleaned off the sensor. I took it out, sprayed it with some, they actually sell some cleaner for this. It's called mass airflow sensor cleaner. Cleaned it off real good, and now this thing's purring like a kitten. It was running like crap. It didn't want to idle, and that fixed it. So if you got a vehicle, it's giving you multiple misfire detected and it's not giving you any codes, you might want to try to clean that sensor out and see how the vehicle runs afterwards. Thanks again, Elijah's Auto Repair.